Could you please repeat once again?
Deliberate.
Deliberate.
There we go.
Deliberate. Is it fine, ma'am?
That's fine, yes.
It's only fine, not good, right?
That's fine, yes. Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Kals. What is your name?
Yeah, my name is Kalam Ansari, and how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm totally fine. Thank you for asking me.
Okay. Kalam, can you hear me and can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. All good.
Good. Can you please introduce yourself, Kalam?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Kalam Ansari, and I have done my graduation in 2018 in mechanical and automation engineering, and right now I am just preparing to start my business. And even it is already a business which my father is running for the last 25 years, but I just want to take that business to the higher level. So I am just preparing myself, and even I know when I just grow in this business, so I will get a clients from abroad as well, from outside of India. So for that, I just want to learn the accent part. That's why I just booked this lesson, that it will be comfortable for me to communicate with the other peoples from the globe.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are my book reading and collecting different types of coins.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so Callum, you may call me Kals. I'm from a city called Cape Town in South Africa. I work full time for Ingu, and during my free time, I like surfing, swimming, and watching movies.
Okay, surfing. Which surfing? Like ice surfing or
Like surfing in the ocean.
surfing in the ocean, right? Okay.
Yes.
And what we call that thing which we do on the ice on my mountain?
Skiing.
Okay, that is called skiing. Okay. I just forgot that word.
Okay. Okay, so Callum, today I see you want to do the advanced speaking test 10.
Yes, ma'am. And before that, I just want to say, ma'am, if I make a mistake while speaking, any type of mistake, even it is a situational or even if it will be a like grammatical mistake or error, so please correct me on that position, right?
I will do. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay, so after each part of the test, I will correct you. I cannot correct you while you're busy with the test. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so during the speaking test, you'll be asked to complete 5 tasks. For each task, you'll receive a score, and after the test, I'll give you a final score.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So exercise 1, this is read aloud. You are going to read aloud the words and sentences. You will have 1 minute to read all the words and sentences. So Callum, you're going to read task 1 for me, task 2, and task 3.
Okay, ma'am. So where it is?
Okay, go down, go to exercise
Okay,
1.
okay.
Can you see task 1, 2,
Yeah, task
and
1.
3? Okay, you may start.
Okay, I just have to read all the words one by one.
Just read them one by one, yes.
Okay. Task 1, see, she, mouth, mouse, sew, zoo, feel, heel, wait, ate. Task 2, widespread, participant, immigration, fulfill, delegate, strengthen, ultimate, neglect, gene, deliberate. Task 3. She saw Wendy and John and Michael peeping through the gap. She started up with the cry and saw the boy, and somehow she knew at once that he was Peter Pan. She found Nana with something in her mouth which proved to be the boy's shadow. You may be sure Mrs. Darling examined the shadow carefully, but it was quite the ordinary kind. But unfortunately, Mrs. Darling could not leave it hanging out at the window.
Thank you. Okay, task 1. Okay, this word is pronounced Sue.
Which one? Okay, the word above zoo. Sue.
Sue, yes.
Sue. Okay.
Sue. Okay, then this word is strengthen.
Which one, ma'am? Okay.
Task 2.
How? Could you please repeat once again?
Strengthen.
Strength. Thin.
Strengthen, yes.
Okay, ma'am. So this word has 2 syllables, I think, right? No?
Yes.
So-
Strengthen.
So in
like
first
that.
one there is a ga sound, a little bit guard sound, right?
Yes.
Strengthen.
Strengthen.
Strengthen. Is that correct?
That's right.
Strengthen. Okay, got
Okay. Then deliberate.
it. Deliberate. Okay, I just said deliberate, and you are saying deliberate.
Deliberate.
Okay.
Deliberate. So let me just do this for you. There we
So,
go in the chat.
Okay, ma'am. This word has 3 syllables, right?
Yes.
So, ma'am, on which one I have to
Four.
stress?
Four.
Okay, 4. Sorry.
Deliberate.
Okay, in which one the stress is there?
The spot. Can you see in the chat box?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Look
Yeah,
at
in the chatting part. Yeah, in the chat.
deliberate. Yes.
Could you please repeat once again?
Deliberate.
Deliberate.
There we go.
Deliberate. Is it fine, ma'am?
That's fine, yes.
It's only fine, not good, right?
It's fine, yes.
Okay. And ma'am,
Okay.
what about this one? Strengthen. On which part it has a stress? On the
Strengthen. In the strength, yes, the first part.
Okay, first part. Strengthen.
Mhm.
Okay, got it, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Callum, let's go to exercise 2. This is read aloud as well. Okay, this is an article. First,
Okay.
you're going to have 1 minute to read this article silently. After your minute is over, you will read it aloud.
Okay.
Okay, you may prepare now.
Okay, ma'am, where it is? Downside?
Yes, exercise 2.
It is not appearing here.
Go down.
Go down. Okay. Describing picture. Exercise 4.
2.
Okay, 3.
Go up.
Okay. I got it. Exercise 2. Read loud. Okay.
Okay. So 1 minute to prepare, and then you're going to read it aloud. You may prepare.
Hmm.
Thank you, Callum. You may read it aloud.
Okay, ma'am. Killer robot prohibition discussed in Geneva. International representatives started a weapons conference for 2 days to discuss the restriction of the development of killer robots in Geneva. These weapons are designed to automatically select targets and kill people. It was the first time for killer robots to be discussed at the convention on certain conventional weapons. Before the conference, a human rights group representative stated that it is ethically and morally wrong to allow machines to judge person's life or death, and observers all over the world wanted these weapons to be prohibited. The chair of the conference, the ambassador of France, proposed that a group of experts should gather next year to discuss the weapon in terms of legal and technical matters with the view of creating a ban. Many of the participants at the conference expressed their support for the proposal of France. US has already given its favor of using the robots for military purposes, but it also expressed support for further discussions.
Very good. Well done. Really, really good. Just Geneva. Okay.
Okay, it's a country name, right?
Yes,
Geneva,
it is.
not Geneva.
Geneva.
Okay, Geneva.
Geneva.
And ma'am,
Okay.
okay, please.
Any questions?
And yeah, ma'am, this one, the second word, I just felt difficulty to pronounce this word. International, the first in the first
This
para,
one.
second word. Yeah,
International representatives.
representatives.
You pronounced it correctly.
I just pronounce like this way. Representatives.
That's fine. That's okay.
It also fine.
That's fine, yes.
Okay, there is a difference between.
Remember, your accent is different as well. I cannot compare you to someone with an American accent, you understand? So that pronunciation is fine.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but really,
Okay.
I just want to be sound like a native speaker, like American or British.
But you have an Indian accent.
But ma'am, I have seen a lot of people who learn this accent also.
They do, yes.
So
they do.
what they do, like in real, generally what they practice or what they do in their real life, so they get that accent. If you talk to them on a phone call, so you cannot say that they are Indians. They so much, they sound very properly and clearly. It will feel that they are from the native country. And I just also
They imitate people's accents. They speak to foreigners a lot. They go to international school. So there's many ways. So the more you speak to foreigners, the more your accent will change because you're going to try and talk like them. When you watch movies, don't watch Bollywood. Watch Hollywood, because then that's where you're going to also try and speak that way.
Okay, ma'am, I watch Hollywood, and do you know the Marvel series? There is the Iron Man and Spider-Man and all the
Yes,
Avengers
I
Endgame.
do.
Yes, I have watched that movie, and I love
Yes.
Marvel series.
Okay, so watch that and try to talk like them, like try to imitate them. That's
But do you know,
how it
ma'am,
works.
what happened? I watched that movie in Hindi.
No, but you cannot do that.
So maybe this is the matter, ma'am, because what I feel watching a movie in Hindi, because it's my native language, so I enjoy fully all the, like, I understand in English also, but the fun which I get in my mother tongue, it cannot appear in English one. That's why.
Yes, I understand. Okay, Callum, I'm going to ask. Okay, exercise 3. Now I'm going to ask you 3 questions about the article that you read in exercise 2. Okay. So, what is the main topic of the article?
The topic is discussing about the killer robots that the scientists or the IT field have developed, robots which will be useful at the time of war, because and it will help the army peoples also.
Good.
That's why
Okay,
US
fine.
people just allowed that, and the people who are just came as a representative in that conference, so they are just telling to ban that, because machines have no rights to kill the people.
Thank you. Okay, number 2. What are the so-called killer robots?
What are so-called killer robots? I haven't understood, ma'am. I haven't understood the meaning of this question. What does it mean?
What are killer robots?
What are the killer robots?
Mhm.
You can say it's an example of a very good, what we call.
According to the article, what are killer
Okay,
robots?
They are the advanced invention from the IT field, from the science and technology. I forget what I've read.
That's okay. Okay, the correct answer is, killer robots are weapons designed to automatically select targets and kill people. Okay. Then, what was France's proposal?
France's proposal was that to ban this killer robots, and the thing is, and so many people are also in the favor of this thing, no, but not
Yes.
the US.
Good. Okay, yes, that's correct. Okay, then exercise 4. This is describe a picture. Callum, you're going to have 30 seconds to prepare and 2 minutes in total to describe this picture.
Just this picture.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what was the name of that bridge? I forgot.
I don't know. You don't have to tell me the name of anything. You can just describe what you see.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, you may start.
In this picture I can say that the people are celebrating, and there are so many like fire rockets. People are using it just to celebrate the occasion maybe. And the fire rockets have two colors. There is one, I can see the blue color fire rockets in the left side, and on the right side there is a pink color rockets, fire rockets people are using. And there are a lot of smoke also going upside the in the sky from that fire rockets, burning of fire rockets. And I can see there is a full lightning all over the city. And this is near, and it is this celebration is happening just nearby the riverside. And and the bridge which we can see on the like on what behind in this picture, so that whole bridge was get a full light over there. Threads, you can say threads, and all over the boundaries of that bridge to just make it more beautiful. And it is full and it's full with full of shine, and it is like mesmerizing moment. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Very good. Well done.
Hmm.
Okay, let's go to the last part of the test. Exercise 5, express an opinion. Okay, look at the graph below, then answer the questions. You'll have 2 minutes to answer each question. Okay, so this chart shows the costs and profits of the Summer Olympics in the last 20 years. What kind of data is represented here?
So I have to study this table, and you will ask me the question, so I have to answer it. This is
You have to answer it, yes.
okay. Host cities Atlanta. So my God, this 26 point. Cost. You must to explain of frameworks. Okay, 96 constant.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, this chart shows the costs and profits of the Summer Olympics in the last 20 years. What kind of data is represented here?
The data is showing that which country have the expenses and profit and loss in that particular Olympic Games. And it is showing for the last 20 years from 1996 that the first Summer Olympics happened in Atlanta, and in 1996, and and the last one after 20 years in 2016 it was happened in the Rio de Janeiro, right? And yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you. Okay, then the second question, according to the data from the chart, what can you say about the financial success of each Olympic shown?
Okay. So the most successful was the Beijing Summer Olympics, because in 2008 they have a gain of a 146,000,000 US dollars. They just gained. They had a profit from that Olympics game. So among all these 6 countries, so in 2008 the Beijing have gained the most profit from the Olympic game in 2008. I can say.
Okay. Thank you. Then, do you think your country should host the Olympics?
Please repeat once again, ma'am.
Do you think your country should host the Olympics?
Yes, of course. Why not? We will be so glad that Olympic happens here, And even I say in 2010 the Commonwealth game, the first Commonwealth first time the Commonwealth games happened in India. And when the situation, because in 2010 it was looking that the whole government was preparing, and they just engaged to make our city more cleaner and with the more facilities. And what, so according to that, just because of the Commonwealth games we got so many facilities also, because before 2010 there is a very common problem of electricity. But after the 2010, just because of the Commonwealth games, because we have to prepare for the guests, right, because the people are coming from all over the globe, so they just done the government have done a remarkable work just to rectify this problem. So we got the benefit also. So if Olympic will happen here, so maybe all the problems will vanish up from our country.
Thank you. Very good. Let me give you your score back to you and I'll go through it with you before we run out of time. Okay, so Callum, for exercise 1, okay, that is reading the words and sentences aloud. Okay, so you had 3 errors: Sue, strengthen, and deliberate. So you got 4 out of 5 for that.
Okay.
Exercise 2, you got 5 out of 5 for the article. Well done.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Exercise 3, you got 4 out of 5 for the questions.
Okay.
You got the first question right and the third question right. The second one was answered incorrectly.
Okay.
And then exercise 4 was the picture. You got 5 out of 5. And exercise 5, you got 10 out of 10.
Thank
So
you so
that's
much, ma'am.
28 out of 30, which puts you on level 7. Well done, Callum.
So it is the level 7.
Level 7, yes.
Okay. I'm not prepared for the level 10.
No, not yet. But okay, Callum, okay, what I've picked up, okay, when you talk, you don't have any grammatical errors. So that's really good. Okay, so there's no grammatical errors.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. So what you can work on is your accent, because you want to change it. There's no problem with your accent, but you want to change it. So like I said, watch Marvel, but don't watch it in Hindi. Watch it in English with the English
Yes,
accent.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I will do
And-
that. I will do that. And
Okay. But thank you so much. I enjoyed talking to you. Do you have any questions?
yes, ma'am. Having this thing. Thank you so much for your precious time, and you told me so many things. And what was the question? I just forgot. Yeah. How do we call this word? This one, the last country where the Olympics happened.
Let me see it.
Green color flag. After London.
Rio de Janeiro.
Rio.
De Janeiro.
Suit.
That's in Brazil.
Also-
Rio de Janeiro.
Rio de Janeiro.
There we go.
Say, is it fine?
That's perfect.
Okay. London beach.
Say it again. Rio de Janeiro.
Rio de Janeiro.
There we go.
Rio de Janeiro.
Mhm.
London, Beijing, Athens. That word called Athens.
Athens, yes. That's
Athens.
in Greece.
Okay, Athens, Sydney, and Atlanta, right?
That's right, yes.
And the there's a PDF also you have sent me in the chat section. Okay, that was a great job. Okay, that was a great job. What do you call emoji? What we call this
Emoji,
thing?
yes.
Emoji,
A
right?
sticker, yes.
Stickers, yeah,
emoji.
sticker will be the perfect word. Stickers. Ma'am, sometimes,
Okay.
sometimes I feel I have a shortage of word. Like I know only one, like emoji, and you told me the sticker also you can use. So sometimes I feel that I have a shortage of word. How would I rectify this?
What you can do is when you watch English movies and you watch it with English subtitles, okay? English sound, English subtitles. Take a book and a paper. Write down words that you don't know, okay?
Okay.
Where that comes up. Then you check the words after the movie and try to use those words. So then you check the pronunciation, what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and that's how you build your vocabulary. But you need English audio and you need English subtitles because you need to see how it is spelled and how it sounds.
Okay. Thank you for your suggestion, ma'am. And the last question from the drawing one, the diagram. So I said the right word. Fire. Rocket fire. So it was correct.
You said you said fire rockets, but it can be fire rockets or fireworks.
Okay. Can we say firecrackers?
You can say firecrackers, yes.
And what we call the thing which is on the bridge? I just use a third word. Third is like third is the different thing. It is related to clothes. That thing.
The bridge, the part of the bridge,
Other-
the rail,
What we call rail. RAIL.
rail, RAIL, rail.
Rail. Okay. So the rail of the bridge was totally decorated. We can say that.
Yeah, you can say
Okay,
that.
ma'am. Thank you so much for your suggestions.
Thank you, Callum. Have a good day.
You
It
too,
was
ma'am.
nice speaking to you. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.